Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw USDT to Kraken using ERC-20 network, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Kraken website. Log in to your Kraken account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, sign up by following the registration process. Once logged in, locate the Funding tab on the dashboard. Click on the Funding tab to access your account's balance options. In the Funding section, click on Deposit. A list of cryptocurrencies will appear. Search for USDT or navigate to it in the list. Select USDT to proceed with the deposit process. You will be prompted to choose a network. Select the ERC-20 network from the available options. After selecting the network, Kraken will display the deposit address for USDT. Copy the displayed ERC-20 deposit address carefully. Now, open the wallet or exchange where your USDT is currently stored. Navigate to the withdrawal or send option in that wallet or exchange. Paste the copied ERC-20 deposit address into the designated field. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. Double-check the amount and the address to ensure accuracy. Select the ERC-20 network as your withdrawal option if prompted. Confirm the transaction details. Proceed to initiate the withdrawal. You may need to complete a verification step, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Wait for the transaction to be processed. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will arrive in your Kraken account. You can check your account balance under the Funding section to verify the deposit. Your USDT is now ready to be used on Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.